Hey there, Monopoly fans. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks to level up your gaming experience. Today, I've got an exciting secret to share that you're absolutely going to love. Easy and efficient way to get unlimited dice rolls using this amazing Monopoly Go hack. Before we dive in, let me just say this method is super user-friendly. It works on any mobile device, whether you're on iOS or Android. No need for jailbreaking, rooting, or even a computer. I've tested it personally, and trust me, it's completely hassle-free. As you can see, the resources were delivered straight to my account without any issues. Excited? Let's jump right into it. The first step is to locate your in-game user ID. This is a crucial piece of information you'll need to make the magic happen. Don't worry if you're unsure where to find it, I've got you covered. Here's how to find your user ID. Open the game, navigate to your profile section, and you'll see your user ID listed there. Next up, open your favorite browser and head to this site. This site is a treasure trove of hacks for various popular games and apps, but today we're focusing on Monopoly Go. Once you're on the site, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the hack for Monopoly Go. Just type in the name of the game and click on it to open the dedicated hack page. Now, here's where things get exciting. You'll need to enter some details. First, select your platform. Then, enter your username. This is the same user ID we found earlier. Double check that you've entered it correctly, and when you're ready, hit the connect button. The tool will now be connecting to the game servers. Once your username is successfully linked to the servers, you'll be taken to the next step. Here, you get to select the amount of resources you want. After making your selection, tap the generate button to start the process. This step might take a minute or two depending on your internet connection. You'll see the tool injecting the mod, setting up proxies, and bypassing anti-ban measures. This ensures everything is secure and works perfectly without risking your account. The last step is super important. This step is necessary to confirm that you're a real player and not a bot. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. You'll need to complete a short task, like downloading an app or answering a quick survey. Follow the instructions carefully, and you'll be done in no time. If you're not sure how to complete the verification process, don't sweat it. The site includes a video tutorial to guide you step by step. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be all set. Once you've completed the verification, the resources will be added to your account instantly. It's that simple. I've already completed this process myself, so I won't be doing it again here, but trust me, it's super easy and worth the effort. Time to hop back into the game and check out the results. Look at that, my dice rolls balance is loaded up. Now I can enjoy the game without worrying about running out of dice rolls. Imagine what you can do with all those extra resources. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you run into any issues or need extra help, drop your username in the comments below, and I'll do my best to assist you when I have time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks to enhance your mobile gaming experience. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.